In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade crypto on Weex. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside Weex, you want to sign into your account, of course, and then you want to click on the spot up top, which is the easiest way to go ahead and start trading. And then you want to go ahead and select the crypto you want to trade here on the left. So let's just say we're going to do some Solana USDT for this quick tutorial. And then here in the middle, you have your chart. You could do some technical analysis if you wanted to. You could do pretty much whatever you want, set the chart to time periods, etc. You can see your order book on the right, your market trades on the right as well if you switch over. And then here at the bottom is where everything happens. So you can see you can open up a limit or a market order, which means basically a limit order is the one where you buy at a specific price or sell at a specific price. But the market one is when you buy at the current market price. Okay, so of course you want to select whatever you want to do, and then you want to select how much you want to buy. So let's say we're going to do 10 USD worth of Solana, and then you can just either click on buy or sell, and that way you can then trade crypto on Weex. Okay, that's how easy it is, and you'll be able to see your open orders, order history, stuff like that down here at the very bottom, and you can then trade it using these buy and sell buttons. Okay, now of course you can do limit or market orders, that's completely up to you, and that's that. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.